Welcome to STA Simple channel. Today we are going to discuss about logical versus physical exclusive clocks. Also when to use false path versus clock groups. Logical exclusive means paths are mutually exclusive only because of logic conditions like MUX selects. Only one path is functionally active, but physically both wires still exist in the design for MUX. STA tool does not understand logic conditions, so it checks both paths and may report fake violations. So we use set false path to tell STA tool to ignore the unusual logical paths. So coming to physical paths, physical exclusive means two clocks or paths can never be active together because of hardware structure or clock generation. Only one clock physically toggles at a time, the other one is completely off. This is common in scan clock versus functional clock. So here we use set clock groups. The command is -physical exclusive from one group to another group. Coming to the comparison, so we see functional clock domain and scan clock domain. Hardware gating ensures only one clock is on at a time, so both paths never switch together, so timing and crosstalk between these two domains is impossible. Coming to the second one, logical exclusive example. So data A and data B going to a MUX and only one is selected by select signal. Functionally only one path is used, but physically both wires are present in and close to each other, so only timing is false, but physically effects like crosstalk is like crosstalk is can still happening in this. So logical exclusive paths, wires are adjacent and can switch, so coupling capacitance exists here. So even if a path is false logically, crosstalk delay and noise can still affect the real path. So SA and crosstalk must still be analyzed here. So in physical exclusive clock, one clock is off and when the other is on. So no simultaneous switching happens and no coupling effect is impossible. That's why crosstalk checks can be safely skipped here. So these are the main difference. So crosstalk depends upon the physical simultaneous switching. Logical exclusivity does not stop physical switching, but physical exclusivity guarantees no switching. So only physical exclusivity can disable SHX. So here we can say that in functional mode scan clock is off and only functional clock toggles. In scan mode functional clock is off and only scan clock is toggles. So because of clock gating or clock mux hardware, both clocks never toggle together. So we use set clock groups physically exclusive and skip timing and crosstalk checks in physical exclusive clocks. Coming to the logical exclusive scenario, uh, if a data A and data B is going to the MUX and select to signal chooses only one. Functionally one path is active, so we apply set false path on unused MUX input. So but both nets are physically routed near each other, so crosstalk still possible in that. So timing is false, but SI must be analyzed here. So always remember, use false paths for logical exclusivity and clock groups for physical exclusivity. And crosstalk depends upon the physical switching, not logical conditions. If you like this STA explanations and clear topics, subscribe to STA Simple channel for more interview focused videos. Thank you.